You're in the video now. You have to do something cool. Go run in the snow. Go. Go. Ow. Oh yeah? Oh my god. Ah! I took my gloves off for the video. Oh my god. Ah! No! No! Ah! That was cold. Oh, my finger's numb. Hold my glove. Thank you. I can't feel anything.
You have snow in your glove. Oh, no, it's white.
Ah! Stop it. You think we can find a deer?
No.
Why?
There's a weird rock over there.
Where? Oh, my fingers. Give me my glove back. Oh, can you put it on me? Oh, my battery's like at 10% now.
Really?
Yeah.
Probably turn the camera off.
No, you. I'm out of breath.
Yeah.
That's not a rock. It's a cement wall thing that I'm going to be on top of. Oh, here, get my camera before I drop it. Hold it.
I gotta check my gloves off.
Ah! Ah! You almost killed me. There, okay. Alright. What are you doing? I'm tired now. Give me snow. Thank you.
Just threw it at your phone.
Oh, huh? Thank you.
Should probably turn the camera off now.
Oh, I guess. You have to say bye.
Bye.